Good afternoon guys, we are back from our resort. It's lovely to get away. We are going to go for a little ride to a shipwreck in the bay that we're anchored in, so come along and enjoy.
So we're just leaving Porto Cheli with our massive neighbours all around us. A few sunken ships. We are heading, not too sure where, maybe Hydra, but I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 hours worth of steaming, sailing. Depends on what the wind's doing for us. At the moment we've got about 8 knots, which might be alright, but picks up a little bit more, will be good. And then hopefully it's happy days sailing. Oh, look at that, just beautiful. Oh, gross, look at that. Man, that's ugly. What's he doing following us? Gross. Look at that. Finally bloody sailing. Not very fast though, we're doing about 2 or 3 knots. But that's okay, we're out here, we're getting it done, you know. We've got about another 3 more hours at this speed, I'd say, to get to where we're going. And then, yeah, in 3 hours we'll be there.
Just don't wanna know.
Just for 24 years I've been living next door to Alice.
Alice! Who the fuck is Alice?
24 years.
Where are we? Oh, so our boat is over here.
Yep.
And we walked to here and we're starting to walk along there. Okay, well let's have a little look. Oh my god. A dog. Right there. Hi guys, well I was going to show you the sunset but it just disappeared behind a cloud. But that's the rest of it. Lots of boats in this anchorage. We've got one behind us as well, so that's at least 16 boats in this anchorage. There's like a little walkway along here, and it actually reminds me of like a disc golf park. I don't know if you've watched that, or maybe I'm just a bit weird and just watch random stuff like that. Everyone's having lots of fun over here though, like people are out paddleboarding and on the beach enjoying the sunset and walking, lots of people walking. Everyone's just having a good time. This guy is looking at me while I'm filming and I feel really weird, but I'm going to step out of my comfort zone and keep doing it anyway. Yeah, there's not much to update. We're in this bay for tonight and then we're off to another bay tomorrow, but it's been good while we've been here. Good morning guys, we left our anchorage about an hour ago, so we're already on the way to our next destination, which is probably another hour or two away. We were just trying to set our anchor and our dinghy line got wrapped around the prop, so Chris is getting in the water now to either cut it or untangle it.
Fucking piece of shit dinghy, man.
But on other news, the boat next to us has a Kiwi flag. Kiwis next to Kiwis. He just cut all of the line off the bell. So we cut free the rope around the prop, thank God. This is it. Good job, Christopher.
Time to get rid of that dinghy.
Guys, look at how close this guy has anchored to us. Out of all the places in the bay you could anchor, it's got to be on our anchor. Hi guys, I'm like hiding down here because our neighbouring boats are like really close to us and I still feel weird holding a camera talking to myself. Anyway, we are still in Poros. We're still here. It's a really nice bay in here. We haven't picked up the camera for a while because we met some Aussies. They pulled into the anchorage yesterday as we're sitting in the cockpit and they pointed. They're like, oh, there's another Aussie or Kiwi boat there. And then like as soon as they pointed, Chris was like, bam, this is my chance to make friends. So Chris like did the old big wave and they like waved back and then we messaged them and they're like, beers on. So we went over to their boat, amazing boat, oh my God. And then ended up in town in the club until 2:30 in the morning. but oh my god, we literally had such a cool night. They're amazing people, like so down to earth. You just couldn't have asked for better people to hang out with. Morena whānau. So today's job is one that we've been putting off a little bit because it's like the worst job ever. Our bathroom is apart again for the second time in like a month. I think I previously said the other day that it's blocked, and yet 3 days later it's still blocked. Actually that's a lie, we did unblock it today, but it's still just not put back together, so it's still not working. Lucky we have our second backup toilet. Not much else to report really, is that we're just fixing that toilet. Chris has shot over to get some hose clamps for it because the one we were using was like not the right one. I think he's coming back. Hi. Right, I'll go help him. Did you get it sorted?
Yeah, I had this thing fucking painting. And some water.
We went through 20 bottles, I counted today, it was 20 bottles of water in like a week. Yeah, a week. And they're 1.5 litres. So we've been going through a lot of water. Everybody in this anchorage gets naked. It's like a normal thing over here. Me and Chris cannot get our head wrapped around it. We feel like real awkward, like we can't even go outside and look anywhere because everybody's naked. Good on them, not for me though. Chris has finally fixed the toilet, but now it's my turn to clean up the bathroom. And we're clean. Morning guys, it's about 11 o'clock today and we're just about to pack up our anchor and leave Porto Bay. We're going to head to a place called Ep8. Chris has just shot to get some diesel because we're pretty low. We've been in this bay for 5 days now, getting a little bit used to it, so we're going to keep moving on. So we brought some ice cream and within 5 minutes of being out of the store it melted. So the only way to do this properly is to drink it. Yeah, it looks pretty deep. Yeah, it's going tight now. Oh, I'm gonna get it in the water. It's so hot.
Oh,
Good?
amazing.
Look what the snorkel did to my head. So I was just snorkeling kind of, and I'm like, oh, I'm just hanging off the back of the boat. I won't really need to use the snorkel because I'm kind of just on the surface anyway. Chris was cleaning the deck and then I looked down and I'm like, oh my god, Chris has dropped the winch handle over the side of the boat. Then I look closer, I'm like, it's my snorkel. I'm like feeling to see if my mask had a snorkel and it didn't. We're anchored in 18 meters right now and there was no way I was swimming down to get that snorkel, so we had to just let it go. unfortunately. So we lost the snorkel. This is the anchorage. Oh, I'll turn it around, hold on. We're kind of open, like all of this area here is like open. And we have already had a lot of jet skis and yachts and that all going through here already. So it's quite a busy place. So we're just having a quiet afternoon down below, trying to keep out of the sun. Yeah, so we're just watching movies. I know we should be enjoying the view, but honestly this heat, I think it's like 36 degrees today. Hell no, that's not for me anyway. I'm just gonna enjoy the shade down below. But that's all for this week's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next week, hopefully, for our next episode. Too hot. Oh my god. Only way to do it. Anyway, I've been recording for 3 minutes already, just talking shit, so I'm going to go for today. Or every time this little bitch clotheslines me. And I'm gonna make some lunch for both of us because we're starting to get angry. Yeah, that's the right word. Angry and hungry. Angry. Oh, it's too hot, guys. It's too hot. What I've got in my cupboard is wraps. I've got the wraps. Got nothing to put in them. Yeah, reversed on the anchor to set it, and then it went anyway. Have you guys ever had sweat drip into your eye? Neither before today, but it was weird.